Bacon and green bean. Easy meal to prepare. These are some of the ingredients used to cook this dish. Do remember to press the like button, subscribe, or leave a comment. Put pot to hot with oil and fry bacon to your like. Some people like it crispy, some people like it moist. When the bacon fries, remove from pot. After you remove the bacon, add chopped onion to the hot oil. Add butter. Add green beans or string beans to the pot. Add the bacon back to the pot with the string beans.
Cover.
Please remember, do not eat out the bacons before it's done. Cover pot, leave to simmer for 5 minutes.
Stir it up, add a little season, and then it says to let it cover and stir occasionally.
Add black pepper to the pot.
And then we're gonna put some salt.
Add a little salt to the pot as well.
Bacon salt already.
Yeah.
Cover the pot, leave to simmer for 5 more minutes. This dish is complete. Remember to share with family and friends. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, press the link above in this video or below to see more video like this.